Welcome to Charlene's channel. In this video, I'm going to make beef bowl. In Japanese, it's called Gyudon. Gyudon is a popular dish in Japan, with thin sliced beef and onions simmered in a mildly sweet sauce, consisting of soy sauce, mirin, and sugar and white wine. It is super easy to make. By following the steps in this video, you'll make the most authentic gyudon you ever had. Let's get started. We will need 1 pound of beef which has been shaved extra thin on a meat slicer. You can easily buy thin sliced beef in a Chinese, Korean, or Japanese supermarket. Thin sliced beef is not only used in gyudon but also used in hot pot. In Japan, hot pot is called shabu-shabu. Therefore, sometimes you will find a label on the meat package that shows shabu-shabu, which stands for thin sliced meat. If you don't have access to that, any beef intended for Philly cheesesteaks will also work. Cut the beef to smaller sizes and set aside. Now we are going to cut 1 onion to slices. Blanch the beef in boiling water for 20 to 30 seconds and wash it using cold water. As for sauce, add 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of mirin, 2 tablespoons of white wine, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 500 milliliters of water into a pot. Mirin is an essential condiment used in Japanese cuisine. It is a type of rice wine similar to sake, but with a lower alcohol and higher sugar content. You can easily buy mirin in a Chinese, Korean, or Japanese supermarket. Heat the sauce to boil and add the sliced onion from earlier. Cook for 5 minutes until the onion softens. Add the blanched beef from earlier and cook for 10 minutes. Serve beef, onion, and sauce on top of rice. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Also, please hit the notification bell. This is Charlene's channel. I will see you next time. Hope you enjoyed Gyudon.